There's another one. Yeah, we didn't die from disease back then. We just got the clap. Sorry.
Bruce, we're rolling.
Hey, how's everybody doing today? I'm glad you tuned in because we got something real special for you today. How you doing out there anyway? How am I doing? Huh, glad you asked. Doing great. I'm always doing great. Yeah. Oh, my bubble isn't even going yet because I was late on getting it going. Oh well. You know, last time we made a fig syrup, and as you can tell, it's going down a bit. Yeah, it is. It's absolutely delicious. And I remember I added a little bit of lemon, and you know what? Initially, I thought the lemon wasn't really poking its head through, but now, as it sat in my fridge, it's come to life. I can taste the lemon, I can taste the vanilla, and it's very figgy. Okay, so what are we gonna make? I thought we would make something with scotch today, because what the hell do you make with fig syrup? And I thought, well, we haven't made a scotch cocktail for quite some time. So I played around with it and I came up with something that is figlicious. Okay, let's make this thing. Okay, so we're gonna start with some fresh mint. Oh, look at these babies. Oh yeah, baby. Nice, nice, fresh mint. Love mint. Anyway, I'm gonna pluck off. I'm gonna pluck 5 of these mint leaves. Nice big ones, yeah. There's 3. Wow, that's strong. 4. Yeah, there's a nice one right there. There's 5. Okay. And we're going to add our fig syrup. And I'm only going to use 1/2 ounce because, well, you could use more if you want a little sweeter, right? I'm going to start with 1/2. We can always add more. It's a lot harder to take away the sweetness than it is to add sweetness. And we're going to get in there and we're going to muddle, gently muddle, right in our glass that we'll be drinking out of. So how cool is that? This is so simple to make, guys. Wow, I am smelling mint. I don't know whether it's this or this. Oh yeah, it's both. I think I'm in. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is add our scotch. I'm going to use the Famous Grouse because, well, it's such a lightweight kind of easy sipping scotch. Not overly malty. It's just a smooth scotch. 1.5 ounces. We're going to follow that up with Cointreau. It's getting low. Yeah, somebody's nipping my bar again. 1/2 ounce. And we're going to add some bitters. I chose rhubarb bitters. Yeah, rhubarb bitters. Normally you would just add, you know, a couple dashes. Not this time. I'm going for a bar spoon. That's like 5 ml, right? Yeah, look at that, baby. Let's add some ice to this. We got 1 big ice cube, and maybe just a little bit more there. And And we're just going to give that a little stir, incorporate everything right in our glass. Whoop, get back in there, you. And we're going to top it with some sparkling mineral water. I've got some Perrier here. You could use soda water. You could use seltzer. They're all kind of interchangeable. So this is what was in my cupboard. I'm only going with 1 ounce. Gentle stir. And we're going to garnish with some Islay. I've got some McClelland's Islay Scotch whiskey, single malt, 2 spritzes. Yeah. And there you have it. My fig and Scotch. Let's give it a go. Oh, right off the bat, I get the smokiness from that single malt. It's really delightful. Interestingly, one might assume the addition of our sparkling mineral water would water down the drink. The exact opposite occurs. The effervescence brings the flavor to the surface and makes them pop. The fig syrup actually plays really well with the Scotch because, believe it or not, the Scotch really isn't forefront. The fig syrup actually tones everything down. Of course, the single malt Scotch is up front on your first and second sip. This is a smooth drink. It's kind of weird, you know. It wants to taste like Scotch, but it also wants to taste like figs. Go figure. Ha! Go figure. This is good. It's figgin' great. Really, it is. You should make one. The mint actually doesn't like overpower the drink by any means. The Cointreau, it plays real nice with the Scotch and the fig syrup. Yeah, make one. Cheers. Hey, how's everybody doing today? I'm glad you... Hey, how's everybody doing today? I'm glad you tuned in because we got something real for you today. So, grab your favorite etched glass, because it always looks nicer in an etched glass, and get off the figgin' couch and figgin' hit the subscribe button and check out some awesome videos here too. This is really a delight, completely different. Makes me want to figgin' dance. I don't know.